Hey guys, it's Woolly Bees and it's graft day. Just pulled a bunch of queens going to Maryland and some other places and gonna graft. Today's gonna be a quick tip. Do not whatsoever be cheap like me. I bought these at Walmart or Ingles or whatever, and they are just that. They are sorry, cheap, no good, for nothing when you get them wet. And that's the whole purpose of me having them out here, because as you graft, you take and you cover each one as you graft, so you do not let it dry out, because you do not want the royal jelly and that larva to dry out, so you cover them. Then I will carry them down there to the hive like this. As I'm getting ready to put them in, I'll take the paper off, turn them over, set them in, and go. These are my own designs. I do small grafts at a time this late in the fall. Well, it's actually not fall. It's like the third day of summer. So the less and less demand I have for queens, the less and less I graft. These are 21 graft bars. I don't even pull a frame. I just set them down into the hive, spread them apart. Once I'm done, take them out, put the frames back together, and I don't have to go around trying to find a frame to replace it. Don't have to worry about all the drawn comb that they draw off the bottom of them. Just simple. But today's quick tip is don't waste your time buying cheap paper towels. Smash that like, hit that subscribe button, and share these videos. Thanks for watching Woolly Bees. Have a great day.